Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this delicious lentil stew with spinach. First, I started by soaking the lentils in water for a few hours. Then I had to rinse the lentils thoroughly. After that, in the pot, I poured in the lentils and added about a cup of water and allowed it to cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Then in the pot, I poured about 2 cups of chicken broth, and the broth I used is the organic chicken broth from Swasin. After that, I added celery. I also added chopped carrots to the broth. To give it a flavorful smell and taste, I added minced garlic, and then I allowed them to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I added the cooked lentils to the mixture. After that, I went in with another cup of chicken broth. Then I added dried minced onion, oregano, paprika, and garlic salt. And then for about 1 minute, I allowed them to cook together and then added my spinach. By this time, my kitchen is already smelling so good. Finally, I added black peppercorn to the lentil stew. This is to give it that a bit peppery taste. And here is our very healthy, delicious lentil stew. It's all about eating healthy to prevent chronic diseases. Thank you for watching.